Good evening, Charvik.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Tishita Mahi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Now today on this Sir C.V. Raman's birthday, Charvik going to make it's a solar day. I mean, he is going to prepare one solar study table lamp for himself. So you have one solar lamp already there with you.
Yes.
Can you make and can you switch on it and show me? Wow, this evening, 7th November 2020, you are showing me your solar lamp. And you have some parts, it seems like I see a lot of parts in front of you. Do you know all of them?
Yes.
Okay, can you show me what is that, what is this, what is that? Can you show me?
Screwdriver.
Okay, why do you need the screwdriver?
Because to tie the nuts.
Okay, to tighten the screws are there. Okay, today you have some screws, right?
And these are the wires.
Oh, that is a good wire, Teflon wire, very flexible wire. Okay, good quality.
And these are some.
Screws, you have some screws, like small or big, like
And
see
these are
first.
some bolts.
Oh, that nut bolts are different ones. That is for online making. But today you offered me saying that you wanted to make it in a solder way, no, not that nut bolt way. You want to make
Solder
it.
iron.
Okay, solder iron. Okay, very good. You know that solder iron. Very good.
And this is the solder bar.
Solder wire. Wow, wonderful, excellent. Okay,
And
okay.
this is the battery.
Oh, is it a battery?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, very good. And that battery.
And this is the motherboard.
Oh, motherboard. Okay, like this is motherboard for what?
For
Uh,
projects.
oh, like for your today's solar lamp. Okay, that's
And this
basically.
is Switch.
Oh, it's a switch cover. That's the switch
Switch
cover.
cover.
Okay.
And this is the
Reflector. LED, right? LED reflector.
LED reflector.
Okay. Do you have a LED also? 1 watt LED is not given to you.
A small one is.
That is there on that motherboard to show you whether the charge is going on or not and all that. And okay, but you need one more LED on which you need to solder your wires, no? Oh, you have it. Oh, wonderful. You like the LED?
Yes.
That's 1 watt LED. Okay, it consumes 1 watt every hour. Okay. And you have a battery of 6 watts.
Yes.
Okay, you have the battery of.
6 watts.
So once the battery is fully charged, when the 6 watts of electrical energy is loaded in your battery, how many hours your lamp comes on?
For 6 hours.
Wow, wonderful, weekend. Alekia, come here. This is the wonderful answer. I can never expect from this kind of 6 years kid like Charvik Sai Krishna. What is that, you know, he said? He has 1 watt LED and the condition given to him is that the battery is fully charged and how many hours the battery can support the LED. He said directly 6 hours. Wow, excellent, big hand to Charvik.
Because it's 6 watts.
Because 6 watts. Wow.
You
So
said
6.
1 watt will come to 1 hour.
Oh
That's
my
it.
God, wonderful, excellent.
That's the second calculation.
Huh?
That's the calculation.
Oh, that is what is your calculation. Oh my God. Excellent. So, what else you wanted to show me? You want to show me something?
No.
You want to show me something? Anything else more? Yeah. But now is Jeevan going to give you a solar plate also.
Yes.
I think many times you like these solar plates. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you say how much power this solar plate can deliver? How do we know how much power it can deliver? How much power it can deliver? Can you read the specification written backside of that? What is the maximum power it can give us?
Extra.
Can you see?
2.5 2.5 watts.
Wonderful, big hand to this boy. You are excellent. There are so many specs written backside of this solar panel, but this boy exactly read the same thing which I expected. What is the maximum power you have there?
2.5.
2.5 watt this solar panel can give you. It's very wonderful, beautiful solar panel for you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, but there is one condition. When it is kept under the sun, with the full sun power, you know. If it is shadow sun, then you won't get 2.5 watt, but you get some power, which is free. That is also good. Okay. Anyway, now you want to make your solar lamp.
Yes.
Okay. So first, how do you start? You know the process? Have you ever referred the process?
Yes.
Okay. How do you first? What is the step you need to do?
First, we need to remove the screws.
Oh, but so that is a previously given instruction to you, man, because you are remotely sitting to me. So today you are there in front of me. Okay. So we gave you open parts. Earlier we have given you all the packed parts, but now we have given you open parts. So you don't have to unscrew them. Already they are open. Okay. Now what you need to do? What you want to put in? You have two assemblies. One is bottom assembly and one is the top assembly. So which part you wanted to know first?
The bottom assembly.
Bottom assembly you want to know, but you need to prepare the lamp assembly first. So you have two more parts here. You have two more parts. So this one is bottom top. That one is a bottom top.
Yes.
In the bottom assembly, that is the top part. That's the bottom top. Okay. So you do one thing. You take the bottom top, and then you need to insert your cable.
Gooseneck.
No. First cable.
This cable?
Cable.
This one.
So you wanted to insert it from the top or from the down? Where the connector need to go? Okay, good. Not that way. That way the connector won't go. Yeah, wonderful.
I want to put, I want to put this in charging.
Oh, you want, but now, oh yeah, you can do charge even now because light rays are coming.
Yes.
And this panel will give you the energy, electrical energy, because it takes light rays and it converts the light rays into electrical energy. Okay. So what you do, you take this panel and open this cable.
Should I open it?
You can do your work. She will do her work. She said immediately. See, Alika, how nicely Tishy wanted to charge the lamp.
Please, after that,
The pre-made lamp she want to charge. She knows that the light rays anyway they are coming, no? So she want to charge this. So she want to make use of this. Oh, wonderful idea. Okay, take this. Okay. Take that and put it inside the lamp. Good.
Yes.
Put it inside. Do you know where to put?
No.
You don't know?
Yes. Give me. Help you. And you helped me.
What helped you? Okay.
Putting the
Now is it charging or not? I don't know whether it is charging or not.
Give me the sun rays.
Light rays, not sun rays, light rays. Okay. Now you see whether it's charging or not. How do you know? The green lamp.
It's a light.
It's blinking.
Yes.
Why it is blinking? Can anyone say why that is blinking?
Because it's charging. Because it's charging.
But from where the light rays are coming on the solar panel? Who is helping you?
Brother is helping.
Okay, Jeevan helping. How he is helping you? How Jeevan helping you?
He kept the solar panel near the light.
Okay, so what happening? The light rays are falling on the solar panel, and the solar cells on the inside the panel are converting the light energy into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is coming to you. To where, Tishi? To where? They are coming to you. Where they are coming?
To solar lamp.
Where they are coming?
To solar lamp.
Okay, so there inside, when they are going inside, the electrical energy, when it is going inside, and the motherboard connected to the battery is charging the battery. Can you see the lamp? It's blinking or not?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So we are spending electrical energy, we are consuming in the lamp. Anyway, we are paying for the bill. But there you are getting again free energy because you are not paying bill for that energy. Okay, so what is that he is doing?
Now I'm inserting the top part in the wire.
Oh, wonderful, excellent, excellent. Wonderful. How do you know all this process when?
Last time in the class the teacher remembered.
Okay, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent.
ఎప్పుడు మిక్సీ
Blue.
మా చిన్నప్పుడు మిక్సీ
Yeah, ready.
అప్పుడు ఏ బాగా మందిని ఇప్పుడు ఆటల కన్నా
Ready.
Okay, very good. Excellent, excellent. Wonderful. So you want to solder onto your LED?
This one.
You want to solder? But you need to know where to solder what. You need to know where to solder what. The red is a positive or negative? The red wire.
Positive.
Okay, so you wanted to solder the red wire on positive of LED.
Positive of LED.
Okay, very good.
What is this? Plus.
So, how do we solder? Is your solder iron on or not?
On.
It's on? Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. Then I will come onto this side. Okay, good. So here is a positive and here is a negative, right? So what we need to do? Give me a little time. I want to help you. I'll just bring some wooden something. See. Okay. First, what I wanted to do, give me your LED plate. One second. Okay. I want to keep little solder material there, okay?
Shall I keep?
But you can solder nicely, okay? Now you take this.
I
So already material is there, solder material is there. Wait. Now I kept solder material for you. Okay, you can take this.
I don't want to.
No, that doesn't matter. It's more than sufficient. You don't require now because you just need to solder them. So you will keep it or you will solder. You only solder it. But I wish you will solder this way. You will solder this way, not that way. You will solder this way. Yeah. You need to hold it. I'm not going to help you. Man. No, wait. No. This wire also I'm not going to hold for you.
Vanjana, don't want to help Annaya.
Come here, baby. Come here. Not that direction. I told you from this direction. Doesn't matter. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Yes, that is a good point. Okay. Straight. Can you make it straight? Yes. That's a good point. Yeah, that's nice. You can go ahead. Do it. You want to put it onto this way?
2 నిమిషాలు
Yeah, you can solder it. No, you can melt it and then you can solder this way.
It did not solder for me.
Oh, you can do it again. What is that?
Okay, so
You do it. Hold little closer so that it don't shake. Yeah. Yeah, heat has to go properly. Keep it there for a little time, no? Then let it melt. Let the solder material melt. Now it's melted. Yeah, it's nice. But you have to. Okay, good job. You did a good soldering. Excellent. Okay.
no, I want to keep this
Yeah,
positive wire.
Huh?
Positive.
Yeah, you did positive, but you need to do it for negative as well. Right? Okay, now you need to melt the point first with the heat. Yeah, and then now it's melted. Yeah, you can keep this one and put it onto that. Yeah. Put it in center. Yes, you did a good solder, man. You did a good solder. Yes, yeah, wonderful, excellent. Anya did a good solder. Okay, done. Excellent.
Don't hang out.
Now your LED is ready.
Now here and here.
Huh?
To keep it strong.
You can take out that wire, excess wire. No, you have a lot of wire here. You need all this wire there. So pull it out. Pull it out. Wait. Pull it out. Wait. Okay. Now this LED is ready.
So like solder.
Why solder? You did no? You did soldering. Now you need to cap up. You can take the reflector because the LED when it glow, light rays has to be spread. That's where you need a reflector. See that reflector what we have is now reflecting all the light rays. Okay, good. But you have another cover for that. Oh yeah, it is there. Oh yeah, open that cover. Oh good. You know how to fix it. Okay. But you need a 5 mm screw, not 3 mm. You come here. Anya is doing a good job. You come here. Yeah, okay. Well, take one screw. But here you have a problem.
Screwdriver.
Yes, it is there with you.
Star.
But it is minus. Now it's not star. Can you change it to star? You know how to change it?
Yeah.
But show me how to change it. Oh, wonderful. Excellent. A big hand. This boy knows everything. Excellent. Big hand to this boy. Charvik, yeah, good job. But you see, make sure that it will go inside. No? It is, yeah, it is good. So you want to tighten straight. Keep it straight. A lot of children, what they are doing mistake is like they are keeping like this. No, you have to keep it straight, perpendicular,
forward
90 degrees. Okay. Okay, good. Excellent work. Good job. Charvik, I really liked it. Okay. You can keep that back. Okay. Later we can tighten. Let us check that how it works or not. This is important.
But you know fix this motherboard in it.
Oh, motherboard, not here. You keep this assembly is done. But make sure, let me check whether your motherboard goes into properly or not, okay? Switch is there, okay, it is making tick sound, nice. It is the connector for the battery, this is the connector for the load wire, the LED wire. This is the connector for whom? This is the connector for?
For the solar.
Okay, that means the solar plate energy will come here, that will go into this white connector to charge the battery. You have the battery? Okay.
Yeah.
Now see, let me see whether it goes nicely into this bottom assembly. Let me check it whether it goes nicely or not. Or do I need to do something? See, it is coming up. It is going nicely or not?
Very nicely now. Screw.
It is not really going very nicely, no? There is something. Let us take another this one. Let us see whether it goes nicely or not, okay? Yeah, it went nicely.
Now shall take the screws go.
Okay. Which screws you want to put, like 5 mm screws or 3 mm screws?
3 mm screws.
How many of them you want there? 1, 2, 3.
We need 3.
Okay. So take 3 mm screws. The length of that given screw is 3 mm. That's why we call it 3 mm. The length, based on the length. Hey, this is charging, man. This is still charging. Okay, good. That means the light rays are falling on this panel. Okay, good.
What happened?
Can you put it with the screwdriver?
The screwdriver?
Yes.
This is a magnet.
Yes.
Magnet? No, not magnet.
Magnet.
Sarvik, are you done with the 3mm screws?
Oh, there's one to fix.
One second. Give me one second.
Okay.
Sarvik, what are you doing, Sarvik?
Just I was setting the 3mm spool.
Okay. How many of them you have 3mm screws?
3.
Okay.
Already set up 2 and I'm setting the last one.
Okay. Very good. So are you enjoying your making?
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Oh, you have tightened them. Can you show me? Little up. Oh, very good. Excellent. Okay, you did a good job. Now what is that you need to do? You want to place the battery? Sarvik, you want to place the battery?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you know the polarity, that like plus minus, where it is written
Like
plus
this
and...
it should be.
Okay, good. Oh my God, how do you know that? Okay,
Now keep the top cover.
okay. But before you keep the top cover,
You just set up this one.
okay, you need to connect the load wire, the LED connection. But do you know the plus minus things? Like, can you check that? The red wire which is positive, where the positive has
Like
to
this.
go? Ah, wonderful, excellent. How do you know that? Can you push it with your hand or you want to take some tool support?
I can push it in my hand.
Oh wow, wonderful, yeah, excellent.
This.
Have you heard a tick sound there? Once it go inside, it makes little tick sound. Okay, can you check it once before you tight the screws and all? Can you check the press button and see? Not this way. Okay. Can you see the light? Lamp has come or not? Can you show me the lamp, whether it has come or not? One second. Yeah, there is some loose connection. That's why it is making the blink.
Maybe this one is loose.
Let me check that.
I'll do the charges on there.
Battery, have you kept the battery properly?
Everything is
Okay,
proper.
good. Let me see. See, once you pull here up, let me see this. Let me use this tool to push it inside.
What's it?
Yeah, now it has come. You see, earlier that
It doesn't lose.
earlier. Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. Now I'm fixing the top one.
Okay. But make sure the wires kept inside properly. Back side, the wires did not go inside. Back side, you check the back side.
Yeah.
Here, my side, your front side, yeah. Yeah, see the battery wires are coming out. Yeah, you need to push the battery inside. Yeah. That's nice. You can close the cover now. But you make sure that LED go into LED hole. Is it coming? The LED is coming in the proper hole. That is also important.
I don't have to bend it.
Oh,
Not so.
who made it? Who bent it?
When I was keeping the bended. No, it's fine.
Now it's fine. Okay, wonderful, excellent. You want my help to hold that bottom assembly? Okay. Okay, you need my help?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, fine, no problem. It's okay. Now, what is that you need to do? Hold it, sir. Hold a minute. Like
That is
this.
screws.
So you have 5mm screws or not?
Yes.
So I'm holding it for you.
3 5mm screws.
Okay. Where you want to keep them?
There.
Okay.
అది సల్లలో కలపమన్నా ఎంత పోసినా కడుతుంది
Wonderful. Are you happy?
Happy. Very happy.
Very happy.
Move like this. I can have some screws.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll load for you. Jiva, come and take the photo. Tishi also has come. Come, Tishi, closed. Take a photo while he's tightening the screws. Me also, include me also in the photograph. That's fine. You don't have to that much do that much time. Go. Why unnecessarily that much of time? Come. Yes. Done.
It's working.
It's working. Can you show me? Wow, began. Charvik made his first solar lamp. Wonderful, excellent. Show me. So, how many of you are there? Oh, yeah, wonderful. Yeah, double. Oh, wow. How beautiful it is working. How confidently he made, today. He soldered, not that screw thing. He soldered. He himself did the solder thing. How old are you, man?
7 years old.
I think in the entire India, in the entire the nation, I think you are the first student who made it happen. Can you switch on all the? Can you explain now? It's an interview for you now. Okay, now you can. You want to celebrate with your father? Can I request him to come here and say something to your dad?
Yes.
Yes, sir. He did it on himself.
Charvik did it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
In just how many minutes? I think 30 minutes he finished everything.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Should finish even faster.
Huh? My God.
I can finish even faster.
Oh yeah.
Because
he
the
can.
screws and everything.
Show me the
ready.
light. Turn it on and show me. Very nice.
So is it a study table lamp? So you have to keep it like a table lamp. You have to turn it.
And this is ghost neck.
Oh, okay.
Very light.
Ghost neck.
Okay. Huh. So Tishi, can you make your... And Tishi found some interesting fact. She want to charge her lamp. I said there is no sun rays. And she said light rays are there. Light rays are important. So she already is charging there. So free energy for her. Because we are spending energy for this.
Charge this one.
Huh?
You to charge this one.
Okay, take out that and...
But still charging.
It's okay.
Okay, you can pull it out. What is that?
It's half charged.
Oh, it already half charged. Yes, that's true. You want to test your charging also? You want to test your charging also?
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, excellent. Is it going on? Charge is going on? It's working. Full bright, man. Full bright. Wow. It's working.
Yes.
Can you show me it's working? Wow, so interesting. Tishi is really interesting, Tishi. Huh? Oh, beautiful, Tishi. Hey, you looks like exactly my sister in my during. Okay, is it charging now? Can you see the charges going on or not?
Yes.
Huh? Wow, but where do you get the electrical energy? Where is the panel?
Yeah.
But if the panel is there are no sun rays. But how it is
But
still
there's
charging?
light rays.
Light rays are there. So, every light ray has a photon energy. So, the photon energy of the light ray are converted to electrical energy inside this particular, in particular what?
In particular, solar panel.
Okay, can you take the panel and show me?
It's charging useless okay?
Huh? You can carry also if you want.
Yeah. I want to carry it.
Oh yeah, you take your permission from parents. Okay? Okay. Can you show me that? So what is this panel?
Solar panel.
Okay, what is the maximum power you have there?
2.5.
2.5 watts. Okay. And you need to know voltage at 5 volt. Yes?
I want to carry it in
Yeah, you want to, huh? You want to carry? Yeah, why not? You can carry it.
And
No
I want
problem.
to carry mines to Gadero.
Huh?
I want to carry mines.
You want to carry yours?
Yes.
Yes, sure, why
First,
not?
please I do washroom.
Oh yeah, why not?
But we need charges.
You need, now you can. Why do you like solar lamp?
Because it's made up of solar.
Okay, so
Because it's solar will come from solar energy.
okay,
Sun energy.
okay, green energy,
Green energy.
free energy.
Free energy.
Why do we burn coal?
If we burn coal,
What
we will
happens?
get metal.
Okay, then what happens?
And it will turn into electricity.
Okay, I mean when you burn coal, you get CO2 dangerous gases,
Yes.
leading to global warming. The globe is getting more and more warmed. Okay, and it is. You know what is global warming? You want to know? Okay, anyway, finally, I wanted to take final video. Now Tishi will come and you want to explain today what is that you did and all?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, I'm done. So, you can introduce yourself. Sit, both of you sit. Both of you sit there. And you can keep your lamps here and there. Okay. One lamp you keep there. Okay.
Take this
Okay.
lamp out.
Huh? Huh?
Only lamp is not.
Okay, keep it like this. Okay, fine, no problem. Now tell me, are you ready?
Yes.
But
ready.
keep this in center. Okay. Keep that is little far. Okay, because in my cameras. Okay. Each other keep it here. Okay, good. This is a good setting. Okay, good. And now both of you, ready? Are you ready, Sarvi? Ready. Okay, good. Now it's time for both of you to say something, whatever you felt like. What is that you made, and whatever way you want. You can introduce
I
yourself.
want to tell.
No, wait. You can introduce yourself, Sarvi. And what is that you made today? Okay, that's okay. That is okay. This video, what is that getting recorded now? That we wanted to publish in our website, like your Sarvik Science channel. Okay?
Okay.
So, how do you want to start? Okay. Okay, don't move it because shadow is coming on you. The light rays. Okay, I'll do one thing. This thing. I can keep like this so that shadow rays are not coming. Okay. Okay. Leave it, sir. Now you can introduce yourself. And this video I'm going to share with your school friends and then lot of children. This is going to be a big inspirational video for all the children of the nation. Are you all ready, both of you? Okay, Charvik and Tishi, both of you. You can start now. Introduce yourself, like your school, your name and parents and the place, like who is your mentor and what it does for children. All these things you can mention. Okay, and which school you are studying, what is your ambition, what is that you want to made and all that. Ready? All ready? Shall we press the record button? Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is.
One second. It's not morning, no? So,
Good evening.
good evening. Because the light rays are there, so people don't believe if it is good morning. And so you can tell this on this auspicious day of Sir C.V. Raman's birthday. Today is 7th November, on which Sir C.V. Raman Nobel Prize winner of India. Okay, he is the only one science Nobel laureate from India so far from last 90 years. Okay,
Good evening, everyone. My name is David. Today is Sir C.V. Raman's birthday. He was a great scientist. He got Nobel Prize.
So what is that you made today?
Today I made a solar lamp. So today I made a solar lamp because I love solar. See the solar panel. If you keep the solar panel light rays, that will convert into electric power, and we keep it in sun rays, that will convert into electric power. This solar candle can give power maximum 2.5 watts. Thank you. Woo.
Tishi, what is that you want to say? You can also say. One question I have. You have a battery, rechargeable battery. You have a rechargeable battery.
I have a rechargeable battery.
What is the capacity of this rechargeable battery? How many watts it can store into that?
It can do 72 6 watts.
6 watts. Okay. So, how much is the power of your LED?
1 GB.
1 watt,
1 watt.
1 watt LED. So, it consumes 1 watt of energy, right? And now, once the battery is fully charged, how many hours your battery can support your LED, 1 watt LED?
For 6 hours.
How can you say that?
Because I know the battery is 6 watts.
Okay, fully charged, when it is fully charged.
When it's fully
So, for
charged.
every 1 hour, your
For every-
LED wants 1 watt. So,
For every 1 hour, my LED wants 1 watt.
good.
That's why for 6 hours it can work.
Okay, very good. But make sure that if it is fully charged. Okay, that's
But
good.
make
Now,
sure it is fully charged.
now my another next important question. I request Mr. Charvik, what is there? Some electronic thing there? I see there. What is there?
Is this
Yeah. No, not that. Next to that, there is some electronic LED and some connector. What is that? Yeah. What is this?
This is a motherboard.
Okay. So, do you know what this motherboard does?
This is the motherboard.
Huh. Okay.
The motherboard will help to give the power.
Okay. Basically, this is designed in such a way that it provides connectivity from the battery to the load wire to the solar panel. All the connections are here, and also it does lot more. It's basically LED driver come electronics. So this is going to control, because whenever you press, can you show me once you press your? No, it is charging. No, it won't come up. You can use this one. It is charging. Or otherwise, take out the connector and show me. While the charge is going on, the lamp will not come. Can you show me, Tishi? Yeah. Once you press,
Okay.
only once. Sir.
Thank you.
Okay. 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 Now can you press and show me? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Slow, slow. Keep you one off the way. Press it. Oh, keep it. You also. Okay, good. I have one question here. Here. So, what is the question? Can you explain me the making process? What you did? How you made it? What are the things used there?
I use a gooseneck
Okay. Why use the gooseneck?
because to adjust like this, or like this.
Okay. So, while making this LED lamp, at which step you liked more?
Gooseneck.
You like that step you like more?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So, which step you didn't like?
I did not like any step.
Oh, any step. You don't like any step.
I did not like any step.
You did not like. That means you haven't liked any step making the lamp. You don't like making.
I like making.
But you are saying I don't like any step. You must say I like every step.
I like every step.
Okay. So which step you don't like in while you are making?
I don't like screwing.
Okay. Very good.
I put it straight.
Okay, very
Straight
good.
away.
Okay. So now you need to know next time what is that the charge control unit doing, what are the things, so that one thing. And next step, next time, my dear friends, both of you, so I'm so happy that you all made it. So you need to know, understanding this, what this particular CCU does, okay? Next time when you come back, I will explain you what this CCU does.
మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడే బియ్యాన్ని తిని స్నానం చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాం.
Okay, no problem. Now question. My question goes to you. Don't do anything. Listen, Sarvi.
Taking out the sticker.
Okay, listen. So, have you watched Solanki sir videos?
Yeah.
So, are you going to take the test quiz and get certified?
No.
Why?
Little time.
It will take time. Okay, no problem. So,
అందులో కొంచెం ఇది పెడతామా?
okay, shall I stop the video?
Yes.
Okay, my dear friends, my dear little friends, makers.
చూడు ఇక్కడ.
See, now we need to do this. Now listen to me.
ఇంకోసారి
Now listen to me, my dear friends. Shall say this. Jai Jawan,
జై జవాన్
Rishi.
జై జవాన్
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan,
జై కిసాన్
Jai Vignan,
జై విజ్ఞాన్
Jai Bharat,
జై భారత్
Jai Hind.
జై హింద్
Make in India,
మేక్ ఇన్ ఇండియా మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా
Skill India,
స్కిల్ ఇండియా
School India.
స్కూల్ ఇండియా
Past made in Japan,
పాస్ట్ మేడ్ ఇన్ జపాన్ పాస్ట్ మేడ్ ఇన్ చైనా నా ఓన్లీ మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా
very good, excellent. Okay, excellent. So,
Stop the video.
okay, shall we stop now? Okay, now we have celebrated Sir C.V. Raman birthday in Solar Valley. We'll celebrate Diwali in Solar Valley. So shall we celebrate Diwali in Solar Valley?
Yeah.
So shall we make a big workshop on solar on 14th?